guys, sobrang aga namin nagising ngayong araw kasi susunduin na nga namin si Head Kumar. So kahapon pa nga daw yung flight niya, kaya naman ngayon is 2:00 ng madaling araw, nag-start na nga kaming magbiyahe. Morning everyone, time is 4:25 and we left home around 2 in the morning. And susunduin na natin ngayon si Head Kumar guys. But before that, because we are 1 hour early, kaya ang gagawin natin is magme-merienda muna tayo or magbe-breakfast dito sa malapit na kainan. We are 45 minutes away sa airport and hindi pa dumating yung aeroplano ni na Head Kumar. So we have time to relax. Oh, you look very pretty, huh? Ayan. Nandito na kami guys. We'll be eating here. Ayan. Milan, what you want to eat? Tapra? Papra. So we'll be eating garam-garam nasto here. Gujarati snacks. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede nilang lutuin para sa atin since it's very early in the morning. And as you can see, ang daming nakaanong mga trucks dito. Oh, ang daming mga naka-stopover na trucks and dito din sila nagbe-breakfast. Ayan. So, ayan guys, nag-order na si Milan and nag-order siya ng papra. Ayan o, yan yung Gujarati snack nila dito ay nilalagyan nila ng chutney. And for me and Jan, nag-order siya ng veg sandwich. Chala, let's eat. This is it. You like this, Jano? You like this?
Little bit, not that.
What did you order for yourself? Poha na We'll share the sandwich. So we'll be sharing the sandwich and this thing, papra. And they serve it with chili and chutney.
Curry.
Curry? This is curry? We also have chai. How's it, Milan?
Very good.
Very
I like
good.
Papra so much, right?
How was it, Jano? Not garam anymore?
No, the curry is garam.
Garam.
Papra is not.
Okay. Let me taste. I will get little bit, right? Small portion.
Let me see your mehndi first.
This is my medi, guys. Very good, right? It's color red now, actually. And then Jano, look at Jano. Very red already.
Oh, attack.
Masta siya na. So they have this chutney, curry, I mean. And then you eat a bit chili. It's actually good. But it will be much more better if the curry is more hot. Order cheese sandwich. It's for me and Jano, guys. Cheese sandwich. Kaya lang. So, ayan guys, nakarating na kami sa airport and we'll be picking up Head Kumar now. We are looking for Head Kumar. Kaya
Tinuupo.
Are you happy kya? Jano le.
Full
Ewan kar.
foreign
Oh, ha. Ayan si Head Kumar. Oh. Le Jano kar. Kaya jauh lah. Let's go. One. Can you pick it up?
Yes.
Na, Viray. Chalo ne? Chalo, they're waiting.
To adjust like so very.
Chalo. Doc Milan is here driving. Jano over there. Hi, Jano. And we have Head Kumar over here. Kemsha, Head Kumar. How is your trip?
Yeah, good.
Long journey?
Yeah, long.
Let them rest, guys. So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Actually, we're going to Barodra now to finish some work. And we'll update you after some time. So, ayan, guys. Andito na kami sa Barodra. And kakain na kami nung paborito ni Head Kumar na Sebsan. So, ito yung pinakaunang request niya sa pag dating dito sa India. So, since nasa Barodra na rin kami, guys, so, ayun, kakainin na rin ni Head Kumar. Papakain na natin sa kanya yung paborito niya. So, nandyan si Milan actually, ayan. Nakikita nyo ba? Nakatayo. Pero meron silang isang napakalaking store dito. And 8:30 pa daw siya magbubukas. So, tignan natin kung mahihintay natin. Since marami naman tayong oras. What happened? Nay? 8:30 it will open. What about the big store over there?
8:30.
Everything 8:30. So, let's go and check it out.
No, you go and see.
So, yun yung J. Mahakali Sev Center. So, yung nakita natin, isang maliit na branch. Pero dito, malakihang branch siya, guys. And it will open 8:30, I think. They're still preparing. Let's go and check it out. Ayan dito. So, kung madalas kayo nanonood sa mga vlogs namin, you probably see this already sa mga past videos. Ito is Mahakali dito sa Baroda. It will open 8:30 daw, guys. So, we have to wait for at least 15 minutes. So, mag-wait tayo ng 15 minutes hanggang sa magbukas sila. Kasi at exactly 8:30 daw, dun sila mag-start mag-serve ng pagkain. Kasi, niluluto pa nila. Let's sit over there at the very end. At the very end. Shale? Guys, dito na tayo. Upo.
एक Sprite और थर्मस.
Sprite na,
So,
Sprite
ayan
na.
guys.
Thumbs
This
up
is what you
po.
call Sev Tart. Siyang kainin kasama yung bread.
Sweet, very good looking.
There's raso, which is sabaw.
Pwede yan.
Right over here, ayan, kakain na kami. After nga namin kumain guys, nagpunta kami dito sa Sequins. Dito namin kukunin yung gown ni Janu or yung panetar niya, tsaka yung mga pinamili nating mga damit. So, pasok na tayo and kuhanin na natin. So, kaka-open lang nila ng alas 9. So, ayan guys, actually, pinlano talaga namin yung araw na to para hindi na kami pabalik-balik dito sa Barodra. So, ang sabi namin, once may pick up natin si Head Kumar, ang mangyayari is kukunin na natin yung lahat ng mga gowns natin and bibili na natin yung mga kailangan pa, yung mga nakalimutan sa darating na wedding nga. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung maganda ba yung fitting nung gown kasi ipapatry nila sa atin kasi nga pina-alter na natin siya and pinasukat according sa mga body shape and body types natin. So, ayun. Sat ka ron eh? You need to clean it. Napakadumi na ng sasakyan, guys. We are currently waiting dun sa mga pinatahin natin, guys. Kasi, it's always delayed. Delay na naman siya ng 30 minutes. So, hinintay na natin. And the time is, if I'm not mistaken, 12:25 na. Ayan o. 12:25 na yung oras ngayon, guys. And how many more minutes will be waiting?
Ano?
How many more minutes will be waiting? 20. Around 20
But it's
minutes.
done. Most of the thing is done. And look my...
Bagong gupit sa Doc Milan.
Very clean.
Very handsome. So, after this, we'll be buying some shoes for Janu, I think. Because they will be giving, like, the family of Janu will be giving shoes, right? So, we'll be buying that since we are with Head Kumar right now already. And then, we'll be going home na. Because we have to take rest, sleep, and everything for the next days to come. Because we'll be having a lot of what do you call it? Rasang or celebration.
Back
My
to back.
Gujarati and English is getting mixed
Mess.
up already, guys. So, ayun. We'll update you once nakuha na natin yung mga damit, our gowns. They're fixing the gowns, they're fitting it because we tried it, right? But once we tried it, there's some little bit of mistake. So, they have to fix it again. So, we'll update you later. Takig yan. So, we already got our gowns, guys. Napakadami pa dun sa likod ng sasakyan natin. And ngayon, bibili na tayo ng tsinelas or sapatos ni Jano. So, ayun guys. Nandito naman kami sa napakaraming stall na to. And pupunta tayo dito sa Mochi para magtingin ng sapatos or slippers ni Jano. Let's go. we're here. We'll be choosing from here. So, pasok tayo.
Ali.
Because we are having shoe bites in here, we bought this thing. Lao ba tao? What is the name of this thing? Heel liner.
Yeah, feel like.
Para hindi magka-shoe bite si Jano. Over here. Look, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Para hindi masyadong masakit dito sa heel, sa gilid. So this is the final item that we'll be buying for Jano, guys. Ayan. Het Kumar will be buying it for her. Guys, mag-aalas 2 na and it's time for our lunch. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa McDonald's and kakain tayo. Buklay, Gimilan?
Yes.
Time for lunch.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Amti na ako, Aki. Taon ko.
Let's go, guys. Kain na tayo. Nagkaka-acidity na ako dahil late na kaming kumain. Let's go. Kailangan talaga dalawang door. Walang ganong tao.